So what is it? Now be careful when packing it. Okay. I wouldn't pull it all the way out until you're ready.
What is that, love?
Louvers.
Oh my God.
Aluminum louvers.
You get it from American?
They're aluminum louvers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So slide it back in the because it's got all the little pieces and stuff. We don't want to lose anything until we put it on.
Look at the face. The face.
Why don't you set it over there where your chair is? I don't want to hear but it beats the alternative. Pronounce it.
Isopropyl alcohol.
I just want to see if you can pronounce it.
Whoa. So you have to clean it with alcohol before you... So only have 6?
That don't drop down on it. Okay. Okay. Look. One washer.
Oh.
And then take one nut. Don't cross thread it. And put it on there. And don't crank it down. Just snug it. Just so it's not...
Not all the way.
No, we just want to snug it down right now.
What do you call that piece? That one.
Nut. Washer then nut.
Look. Should be over here then. All the way.
Come up to you right there at the edge.
How do you stick?
Just a little toward you right there. For alignment. Back off. Give me a paper towel. There's some right over there. Set it box up. Just lay it down here for now.
So we have to start peeling. Oh wait, that's not...
touch those, whatever you do. Now, we're going to line it. Don't lay it on the glass without messing up the glue. All right? So I'm going to line it with this corner. Come down a little bit. You got way too down, down. Keep coming. I see I'm holding it up this way. Line it up into that tape corner. Okay? Is it lined up? Yeah. Okay. Now don't let it touch. We got to line it up down here too. You just hold what you got. Come guide it. You just hold it. Let me guide it.
Perfect.
But we're going to take it. We're going to take
The alignment.
We're going to take it off in a minute
Oh, the alignment.
because I'm going to seal these in.
How do you seal them?
That's what we're going to do next. Go around and take each nut and wash your back off now.
Hello? Why?
Just watch.
Can I take them? What?
Let me lift this side first. Okay, now be careful picking up. You don't pull one of those plates up. One at a time. I'm holding this up. All you got, there you go. Okay. All right.
Go around and push the tape.
No, pull the tape up.
Pull?
We're done. The tape's done its job. We can get rid of it now. The alignment, it's now aligned. Now, I'm going to do one more step. I'm going to seal these. Water won't get up underneath them
How do you seal them?
with RTV.
With RTV. Oh, like the.
Room temperature vulcanization.
Is it part of the instruction? RTV. What do you mean by RTV? Room
Temperature.
temperature
Vulcanization.
vulcanization. To prevent from the
Moisture.
moisture.
The glue.
Like
So we can seal it. This is the step that the lazies won't do, and then they can't figure out why this don't stick after a while. Menza.
Menza.
German. Guten Tag.
Good and tight.
Guten Tag.
What are you gonna do with a marker?
All right. See where the little bit of the paint got skint there and there? Take you a Sharpie and do that and do that, and then when it dries, it disappears.